This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 8 Demonstration III. The video begins by introducing the concept of encapsulation and object creation in programming, covering class creation, object initialization, and methods. It then moves on to demonstrate working with classes and objects by creating a circle class with data members and methods, followed by instantiating objects of the class with specific values, accessing object methods, and creating multiple objects with different data values, even including multiple classes like circle and box in a program. Next, it explores various object initialization techniques, such as using setter methods, constructors for automatic initialization, constructor overloading for varying initialization options, and the usage of the this keyword for member or argument resolution and code reuse. The key takeaways are presented, emphasizing how encapsulation enables data hiding and abstraction in object-oriented programming. Constructors allow for automatic object initialization. Constructor overloading provides multiple initialization options. The this keyword resolves namespace conflicts and facilitates code reuse. Multiple objects of a class can store different data, and programs can include and utilize multiple classes. The video concludes by reinforcing the key takeaways, including encapsulation enabling data abstraction, constructors for automatic initialization, constructor overloading for varied initialization options, the this keyword for namespace conflict resolution and code reuse, multiple class objects storing different data values, and programs incorporating and utilizing multiple classes. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.